Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fixing Kitchen Furniture video. It's the return of the $5 chair. If you remember in the last video I mentioned that I bought this chair at one of the used furniture and used building supply houses that uses the funds that they raise from selling all this stuff to help the homeless. In the last video I took the chair apart, I took the pedestal off, I took the springy pivot thingy, swivel thingy off the bottom of the chair, and I removed the 3/8 inch OSB bottom of the chair, which was broken. Now what I've done is I've taken that piece, laid it over a piece of 1/2 inch plywood, and then marked the shape of the new bottom of the chair. I used the old piece of OSB and laid that over top of the new plywood piece and lined up the holes and drilled the holes for the 4 bolts that go through, and then put the little metal cleat things in place. I'm doing everything in reverse order of of the method I used to take the chair apart in the last video. And what I did was I put the new bottom in place in the cushion and pulled the upholstery back up over top, pulled the upholstery over it again, and stapled the upholstery in place. And then reattached the whatever that thing's called, the pivot swivel thing under the chair, and put the bolts in. Before I did that, I put the paper label piece back on so that it'll look like the original chair, and no one will ever know the difference, really. And that's how I fixed the $5 chair, which I am now sitting on at my computer while I'm making this video. It's actually quite comfortable. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or helpful in any way, please don't forget to like it, share it, and thanks for watching.